Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So guys, in this video I will be telling you how you can fix Telegram code problem with step by step. So if you have installed the Telegram, I will recommend that maybe you should check that there would be an update. For instance, once you have gone on App Store, you have to write Telegram and just look for if there is any update. You need to do that. So once if there's an update, you need to tap on open. So what you have to do is this, for instance, few, like most of the people add zero with their number, so maybe this is the problem as well. So what you have to do is make sure you choose your country, for instance this one. So I will be sending my code, and once you have confirmed that this is your code, you need to next step is that they will ask you for that email, provide the enter your valid email address to protect your account. So for instance, I will be writing my email. So once you have done, just tap on that. So you will see, check your email, you will get an code. So what you have to do is just wait. So I have received the code, will be writing it 684776. now you have entered your code. Now they will send this code in your email as well. So on your mobile number. So write it right way 584. Now just click, and once you will see that there is finally you have received the code. So let me tell you, if you are keep trying again and again, so I think you have to wait, because sometimes sometimes waiting may be solving your problem. And make sure you are like adding your correct country code. And this is the video on how you can fix your Telegram if your code isn't, if you are not receiving code. Thank you.